Maharashtra Chief Minister Prithviraj Chavan was missing at the inauguration of a thermal plant in his state. The reason? Because he was sharing it with the Prime Minister. The irony, of course, Maharashtra is going to the polls soon and Chavan lost an opportunity to stake claim over a successful development project. Now, this no-show follows a spree of non-BJP chief ministers being booed at events where Mr. Modi was present. And, of course, they're now very clear they want to boycott those events.
After Prithviraj Chavan and Bhupinder Singh Hooda, now the turn of Jharkhand CM Hemant Soren. Deafening roar of pro-Narendra Modi chants drowning Soren's speech at a thermal power plant inauguration function in Ranchi. And once again Modi intervening, a repeat of what happened in Maharashtra and Haryana. Chief ministers of three non-BJP ruled states jeered and booed, while Prime Minister Narendra Modi lustily cheered by the same crowds, the states accusing the centre of hurting India's federal structure.
ये संघीय व्यवस्था का एक नई परिपाटी शुरू हो गई है और इस पर आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी को संज्ञान लेना चाहिए। जिस संघीय ढांचा का वो वकालत करते हैं, मुझे तो लगता है ये सिस्टम का बलात्कार है।
Chavan refused to go to Nagpur and share the stage with Modi. So as Modi dedicated another power plant to the nation, Chavan chose to lay the foundation of a bridge in Nanded district.
शेवटी देशाचा एकच पंतप्रधान असतो आणि राज्याचा एकच मुख्यमंत्री असतो. आपापल्या पद्धतीने आपण आपल्या राज्याचे प्रश्न पंतप्रधानांच्या समोर मांडत असतो. तो पंतप्रधान कुठल्या पक्षाचा आहे हे महत्त्वाचं नसतं, घटनेमध्ये ते अभिप्रेत नाही.
मैं प्रदेश का मुख्यमंत्री श्री पृथ्वीराज चौहान जी का अनुपस्थिति में महसूस कर रहा हूं. हम सब लोग एक टीम इंडिया के रूप में काम करना चाहिए. टीम इंडिया.
Congress sources claimed there was no breach of protocol as the Chief Minister was required to receive and see off the Prime Minister only if he visited a state capital and not otherwise.
This is going to be the way things are going to work. Then we can also mobilize 500 who will shout anti-slogans when the Prime Minister speaks. It doesn't work.
जिन जिन राज्य के अंदर सरकारों का कुशासन है, उनकी पार्टी का भ्रष्टाचार है, वहां ये आक्रोश पब्लिक का उनको मिलेगा.
Well, the Chief Minister's presence ended right here and was only on paper. And therefore, here's a question for the Congress party. With elections around the corner in Haryana and Maharashtra, and with both major parties on a mega inauguration spree, is boycotting such high-profile events really the smartest move? For the BJP, it's almost like a walkover and are willingly taking all the credit. In Nagpur, Tejas Mehta for NDTV.